Google, isa talaga sa magiging problem natin for Wing 8 class. We do have only limited free applications na install lumunan sa ano. And then, ang magiging major disadvantage part pa niyan for the next launch na ilalabas nila. Lahat ng application na kailangan yung business, kailangan diyan or else, hindi siya naging applicable. Kung hindi siya ganun class, ang mangyayari niya, you will encounter such difficulties in the unit itself. Okay? That is only for an addition.
Thank you.
Sir.
The table camera the whole monitor by applying the portal. No size application can be run will be using the application. My recommendation is to run the Windows 8 consumer will in another door because it's not very problem in 8 and 8 so Windows 8 realistic so it continue to be strong in Windows 7 or Windows 8. Group
Nana. Luaro Santo Dundi. Wow. Uri nakasalong nga, kailangan luwan ko. Eh, na naman class.
okay, guys.
Ay, may pa
Advantages.
Ay, may pa
If you install Windows 8, your processor must be 1.4 gigahertz, and it must be set up on processor. Exactly. Sorry, Paul. They have many free applications stored. Like Sherman said, it is disadvantage. It can be used in tablet and iPad because it is touch screen. Well-built user interface. Yes. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages is like in the working, the system is rebooted several times, especially for 30 minutes. Thank you.
Boy, mo, metong yakan.
Kasi pagdating sa Windows 8 pa niya, hindi pa natin talaga maano. Kasi wala itong browser natin nakikita eh.
Developer pala.
Kaya na kayo mo, i-rate kayo. I-rate lang.
Wala pa tayong masyado. Wala. Diba? Pati yan. Para, ano ba talaga yung
Mga tatay, Ben.
wala.
So,